So, welcome back again. Now we are going to see how our Moodle learning management system can work offline. As we know, we are struggling with internet connectivities like common digital divide, geographical location. In some space there is no internet, there is no electricity. Then, how learning can take place when the internet is not available? The Moodle learning management system has offline versions. Those offline versions, came to solve the problem of internet connectivities. Imagine you are in the village, you take a taxi or motorbike to go to look for the internet connectivity. This will be challenging. With Moodle offline version, you will be stay at home, working offline, and then your data will be synchronized to the University of Rwanda Central Database. How this works? The offline Moodle has a client-server architecture. This means there are two softwares. You as a student, you are going to download a Moodle software applications and install at your machine or your smartphone. That part is called the client part. And then, once you install it, you will put our learning management system, the address of our learning management system. Now, once you succeeded to install the copy of Moodle offline, what kind of data is copied? In your course, in your Moodle offline, in your smartphone or computer, there will be the course. There will be exactly the copy of the course. Your assignment submission, your grades, discussion, all of your data will be accessible in your smartphone or laptops. However, this tool cannot be used when sensible or private data is stored in the course. Otherwise, this data become public. That means that some information, private data, will be not synchronized at the client side. This will be enabled by the teacher. What can you do with this version? In this version, you can view course activities and download the materials offline. You are in the class in Moodle. As usual, when you go to elearning.ur.ac.rw, you find the course and you find the activities as you said, referring to those icons I presented in the previous presentation. On your smartphone or your tablets or laptop, you can view all activities in your course, and all materials will be there offline. Of course, here you need to have a space. When you're using the mobile application, for example, you need to have a space to store those materials offline. For desktop have also enough space. With this version, also you can quickly find and contact other people in your courses or organization. Here, in next presentation, we will find how to contact your colleagues using messages. Also, the plugin like chats, forum are also enabled, and you can get those information offline. You can attempt quizzes, post in the forum, play SCORM packages. SCORM packages, you will find these other courses which are developed by different software applications which are embedded in our course. In those courses, SCORM packages, you will find also interesting assessment tools like quiz, assignment, and so on. You can also play SCORM packages offline. You edit wiki pages and more. You can upload an image, audio, videos, and other files from your desktop or tablets or your smartphone. You can view deadline filtered by date or course subjects. Remember, the feature I said calendar. Here with smartphone or desktop application, you can view deadlines. Then you schedule your time according to the deadlines set in the activities like assignment, quizzes, and so on. With this version, you receive instant notifications for messages, forum, calendar events, and deadline. Once enabled, you can also track your learning progress, and you can get grades. Grades are marks. Once marks are published, you will be notified, and you get marks at your smartphone or desktop. Which versions for Moodle Desktop are available now? The Moodle Desktop is now available for Windows Desktop. We have Windows 7 and later. Windows for tablets, you have Windows 10 and Windows Anniversary Updates. You have also Mac. You have Mac OS 10.9, and also it can work on Ubuntu Linux, Fedora, and Debian 8 and later. Those are platforms which are being used by your computers. I know most of we are using Windows, Microsoft products. This means for your laptops, you need to find Windows 7 or later, Windows 7, 8, 10. And also if you have tablets, Windows tablets, you find Windows 10 with Anniversary Update. Now, how to install Moodle Desktop? How to install Moodle Desktop? You find this link. You click this link, download.moodle.org/desktop. Let me open and do practice together. Now, we have this interface, Moodle Desktop. There are two versions. You get Moodle from Microsoft, or you can download the Mac App Store. This is the image, the screenshot of the screen which we will have. Now, let me choose if you have a Microsoft, meaning Windows 10, Windows 7, you see, we have here Windows 7 and 8 installer. Example, I choose this. And you find the Moodle Desktop is now available. It is being downloaded. So you will wait till it is downloaded. Once it is downloaded, you install. I think all of you know how to install an application at your machine. Then you install. You install the application at your machine. And then after installation, you run the application. To me, you open. You open the application, and then you will have an interface where to put the link, the address of the University of Rwanda. In the address bar, you put this link, https ur.elearning.ur.ac.rw. Once you put this address, e-learning platform, at your machine, and then you put username and password. It's okay. Once there, all the information is all related to your courses associated with these credentials will be loaded at your smartphone or at your desktop. This is the desktop version. The scenario is the same as you are learning at your tablets or smartphone. This was at the desktop version. The interface will be like this. You will have those different courses in front of you. It will take time because all the information will be downloaded. Those courses will be downloaded to the laptop or desktop. It will take time. However, once you are going to work offline, to synchronize, to send your work to the university, you will need the internet. You buy a bundle of 100, you connect. Once you are ready, all activities are done. The system will automatically send your work to the university, and the teacher will get your work. For the mobile version, it is very simple. You go to Play Store. You find the Moodle. The Moodle app has different version. You find the latest version, and then you install. After installation, you repeat those processes. You run the application. You put the address of the your e-learning platform, and then you put the username and the password. Let me know if you have any question related to those versions, so I can respond to you. Can access. Now, you will post your problem, your questions to the chat. Now, let me call my colleague to present how you are going to send messages. Thank you.
Hello, dear students. My name is ODeL Jean-Claude. I'm going to show you how you can check your grade and how you can chat within your course how you can change your password in your profile, and I show you how you can send a message, a chat to a certain member of your group or to your lecturer. I think you follow. We are together. You follow my my screen. First of all, you are in this course, training for ODeL Student Champion. Let me enter as first of all, let me show you how you can change your password. You click here on this menu, and you see we have a dashboard, we have a profile, you have a grade, you have a message, and you have a preference. You click here in preference. You wait a moment, and you see my screen. Then you scroll down within this preference, and you can see here, you see change password. You can click here your password. Now the current password, for example, it is your reg number, and if you want to change your password, because sometimes your colleague can know the password, your password, and you can put where it is right current password, you put your current password. For example, it is 21500, and the new password is the preferable password you want to put, you want to update. Then you put the password. For example, this is my password, and then I retype the same password. I write the same password, the new password again. Then you click on Save Changes. Okay. Then you have to untick this sign out everywhere, because when you sign and you are not on your computer, someone can use your computer or the computer you have used. Then it will be easy to go in your profile, and he can go in your profile. Then he can do, or you can manage your profile. Then to edit your profile, this is editing the username. You can because me, I am administrator, let me change and I become a student like you. I show you how you can change your, you can upgrade, you can put your picture within your profile. You wait a bit. Okay. Let me. I think you are follow. Okay, now let me enter as I'm a student. Close it too. Then I put my password. Okay. Hope you are following. Any question, you can write your question. My colleagues, we are going to respond you back. You can see. Okay, now I showed you how you can change your profile. You can put your picture within your profile. When you click edit your profile, you see you can see my first name, my surname, my email. If you have a problem with your email, your email, you can just update your email here. Okay, and then you can go down if you want to put any information, interesting information. You can put it. If in your phone, you can put your phone, and then you update. You see here, update profile. Then you update your profile. Another thing I can show you, it is how you can send a message, or you can see your message in your when you are logging your profile. You see, for example, here you see my name here. I'm student Jean-Claude Wizeye. Then first, you can click on this icon. You see the message. I have around 8 message. You see message, and you can click on a message. Either you can reply to this message, or you can write a message to a certain colleague, your colleague. Here there is a place to write the message. For example, I can write hi to Jules Uwizeyimana, and then I send the message. And then when you want to read this message, you can click again on the message, and the message will disappear. Okay, now I want to show you how you can write a message to either to your lecturer or to your colleague. For example, let me click here in my course. There is a Kin 101, and you see the title of my course is this. This is the title of my course. This is the content of my course. For example, this is the Kinyarwanda. This is my course. So I have no here. I have no activity, but I can show you how you can see the participant, your colleague, and how you can write a message to your participant, to your colleagues. So for example, here we have 4 participants, and you can see even you in your course, you can see where it is right there, my course, and you can click on the course. Then you see all of these are students on this course, but there is a teacher down, and we have Amurani Boringo is a teacher. You can click, for example, and you have a subject. You can click, for example, I want to write to my teacher. Then you have here message. You click on this message, and you have a space here for write a message. For example, I write dear prof. It's an example. And you write your message to your prof, for example, and then you submit. Here there is a send, and then you can send. Okay. For example, I send this one as dear prof, only hello prof, as you want. For example, your message you want to give to your colleague or your professor. If you don't have marks, if you don't, you can just write for cramming, for just give them information to your colleague or your lecturer. Then you can click there just to read this part of message. As I told you, when you click to this participant, you can see the list of your colleagues, include your lecturer, and down here we have grades. These are the list as I told you. Then here we have a grade. You can check grade through this icon. You can click this icon. For example, these are my grades. When I pass my my assignment, and then I can see my grade here. Okay. For check your grade, you click here grade, and you can see your grade. You can see the percentage. You can see the calculated weight and the range. If there is a problem, the professor can write for you, and so on. Okay, let me go back and I show you how you can chat, and how you can go to a forum. These are activity you can do within your course. Okay, let me click here. Okay, let me take a course. For example, let me choose this course, TS. As you see, I can click here to enroll in this course. Then I'm in. For example, we have here we have a group of discussion. It's a discussion room for this group 1. Among of the participant of this group. I click for a forum. it is a place where you can write, you can navigate for a query. When you have a problem, a query, you can click there, then you can write. I see there is a Herbert Dukundane who wrote. There is a discussion from Jean-Claude. There is Elizabeth and Calixte, Nyinawumuntu, Clemence, Evode Dishimimana. These are, when you want to reply, you can click on reply, or when you want to go to show parents, you can click there and you can give even your comment. If you have an idea you want to, they can comment on your idea, you can click there. This is a forum. Those who were not yet use this forum, you can go on this forum and you can click and you can give a query. You can put your comments and so on. Okay, let me go back again and I'll show you how you can go to a chat. If I'm very fast, you can tell my colleagues, they can give me the message and I can respond, or I can go slowly. Now I have a chat here. This is a greetings others. For example, I click on this chat. You see, we have students who chat. There is a Gilbert Ntihemuka, there is a Patrick Niyonsaba, there is Dieudonné. When I want to put my comment or I want to chat, you click on this, click here to enter in the chat, you can click. Or you want to see more accessible interface, or you want to view the past chat session, you can click on that past chat session. But me, I want to chat to see other chats from students. Now, I give you a message. Hello, dear students. Okay, you see Latifa is chatting. I see Latifa Uwamahoro and I see Anton. Yes, I see Eve, Aman. Yeah, I see you are chatting with me. Very good. Thank you for your chatting. If I want to see the past chatting, you see Nhabomvura Leo has the 23rd chattings, Eve 7, Samson, and so on, Dieudonné, and so on. Okay, let me go back and I show you other things which is important, and I can show you how you can go to an assignment and quiz also. Now let me give you time to go through this, just 5 minutes, and I come back, then I show you how you can deal with this assignment and how you see assignment within your calendar, how you can see that you have a quiz within your calendar. Okay, thank you. If you have a question, you can write your question, and when I'm back, I can respond to your question. Thank you.